1. Check the Windows Update version. Step 1. Left-click Start button. Left-click Settings. Left-click Update and Security. Left-click OS Build Info. To confirm in Windows specifications, version is 1809. Two. Install Language Pack and Handwriting. Step 2. Left-click left arrow on top left. Step 3. Left-click Time and Language. Left-click Language. Left-click Add a Language. Scroll down and select Chinese, Simplified, China. Left-click Next. Step 4. Check Speech. Check Handwriting. Uncheck Install Language Pack and set as My Windows Display Language. Step 5. Left-click Install. Step 6. Left-click the language pack as in this video. Left-click Options. Left-click Download to download language pack. Fast-forward video. Three. Demo Handwriting. Step 7. Right-click Taskbar. Left-click Show Touch Keyboard button. Left-click Touch Keyboard. Step 8. Left-click N. Left-click Chinese, Simplified, China. Step 9. Left-click Settings and touch Keyboard. Left-click Handwriting at first row, fourth column. Step 10. Left-click the input location as in Windows Search. Hold down the mouse left-click to Handwriting, in touch Keyboard. Click subscribe to Users Productions YouTube channel.